Dear students, welcome to today's class. In the yesterday's class, I have explained various formulas regarding trigonometric equations and what are the precautions that we have to take while solving the trigonometric equations. Okay, now I hope that you understand those concepts and you are practiced all those formulas. Okay, based upon that, now I am going to explain some problems which were given in previous JEE mains examination. Okay, so let us start our class. So the first problem is, if 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 pi, that means your x value is lies between 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 pi, then the number of real values of x which satisfies this equation. So here clearly one equation is given here, it is, so that is cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x plus cos 4x is equal to 0. So this is a trigonometric equation. Why? Because it involves trigonometric function cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x, cos 4x. Now you have to find out the variable x value such that x value should lie between 0 to 2 pi. That means 0 radians to 2 pi, 360 radians. Okay, so you should not take all those values, but you have to take the number of values of x which satisfies this equation and lies between 0 to 2 pi, including 0 but excluding 2 pi. Okay, now let us solve this problem. So here, to solve this type of problems, see here in this trigonometric ratios, they are in sum, plus is there, other minus will be there. So you have to make it into product. Okay, sum you have to make into product. Then how to do this? So this can be done using transformations formula. Just last 4 or 5 classes back I explained about transformations. Okay, so let us just once go through those formulas. Now I will combine here. So what are the cos x plus what those two things you have to combine here, right? I am combining here cos x and cos 4x, and I am combining cos 2x plus cos 3x. Okay, first cos x plus cos 4x I am combining. Okay, so cos c plus cos t, formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 x plus 4x, this is equal to 5x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 x minus 4x by 2. X minus 4x means how much? Minus 3x by 2. You can write down 3x by 2 plus. Here also cos c plus cos d. So 2 cos c plus 3 by 2, that is c by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2x minus 3x, that is minus x by 2. So this is x by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now. So here cos 5x by 2, here also cos 5x by 2. You can cancel 2, no problem. Why? Because right hand side 0 is there. So you can take cos 5x upon 2 common, here cos 3x upon 2 plus cos x by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now, right. Again cos 5x upon 2 into, again cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2. First we add it, 3x by 2 plus x by 2, that is 4x by 2. 4x by 2 means 2x by 2 you have to write down, that means cos x. So once again I am telling 3x by 2 plus x by 2 upon 2, that is 3x plus 4x, 3x plus x, 4x, 4x by 2, 2x by 2, 2 will get cancelled, you are getting x. Again cos c minus 3 by 2, 3x by 2 minus x by 2 by 2, 3x minus x, 2x by 2 by 2, 2 will cancel x by 2. So this is x by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now, so we got cos 5x by 2 into cos x by 2 is equal to 0. So it is a product of 3 factors. So either of these should be equal to 0. That means cos 5x by 2 is equal to 0, or cos x is equal to 0, or cos x by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now, right. If cos 5x by 2 is equal to 0, already in yesterday we have explained the formula. If cos theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 2n plus 1 times pi by 2. Okay, right. So here also 5x by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 times pi by 2. Okay, now, so here also x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Here x by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 times pi by 2. Okay, so from this we can calculate, here also x calculate, we can calculate. Okay, now, so let us continue with the solution. Welcome to the solution here. So from this we can cancel x, we can cancel. So x is equal to 2n plus 1 times pi by 5. So it is as it is. Here also we can cancel 2, x is equal to 2n plus 1 times pi. Okay, now let us consider here n is an integer. N is an integer. So start with so you cannot take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, all those things. Why? Because we want only the positive angles 0 to 2 pi. So first you take x is equal to 0. If you take x is equal to 0, pi by 5. Okay. Next 3 pi by 5. 3 pi by 5 is equal to how much? Is it okay? 3 pi by 5? Yes, okay. Next one, 5 pi by 5. That is 5 cancel. Okay. 5 pi by 5 is also cancel. 1, 3, 5. Next 7. 7 pi by 5. 7 pi by 5 is okay? Yes, okay. It is okay. Okay, now. Next one, 9 pi by 5. 9 pi by 5 is okay? Yes, it is okay. So if you take next one, 11 pi by 5. 11 pi by 5 will becomes, it crosses 2 pi. So that's why that's all over. Only up to 9 pi by 5. Coming to here, x is equal to pi by 2. Okay. 3 pi by 2. Okay. Next how much? 5 pi by 2. 5 into 90. That means it crosses 3 pi by 2, or 2 pi. So that's all. Only up to here. Coming to here, x is equal to pi. X is equal to again 3 pi. 3 pi means what? It crosses 2 pi. So that's all. Only pi. So from this you count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many? Actually there are infinite number of solutions, but under given condition, under the given domain, it has only 7 solution. Okay, so 7 is your answer. Okay, so this was question asked in 2016 mains examination. So if you solve this problem without any tension or anything, surely you will get the answer. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to second problem. This problem is asked in 2017 mains examination for 4 marks. First, read the problem. If 5 times tan square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 times cos 2x plus 9, then the value of cos 4x is. Okay, very nice problem. So we want cos 4x. We want cos 4x value. The answers are also readily available. Okay, cos 4x, that means what is cos 2x? This is 2 cos square x minus 1. What is cos 4x? 2 cos square x 2x minus 1. That means what I am going to tell is how to think the problem, how to tackle the problem, that I am going to explain. What we want? We want cos 4x. What is cos 4x value? 2 cos square 2x minus 1. That means if we know cos 2x value, that means cos 2x value, the problem is over. Here we have cos 2x. Yes, we have cos 2x. Readily available cos 2x. Here can we get cos 2x here? Yes, we can get cos 2x. How can we get cos 2x? Cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. This is the formula. Cos square from this here, from here, cos square x is equal to, take minus 1 to this side, 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Okay, happy. That means cos square x also can be expressed as in terms of cos 2x. Over, happy. So this is also over. What about tan square x? Tan square x means what? Sin square x by cos square x. So tan square x means sin square x by cos square x. Sin square x can be written as, just now we have written cos square x means 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 by 1 plus cos 2x by 2 upon 2. So this is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x. So this is also one of the important formula. So tan square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x. So everywhere we are getting cos 2x. So it is very happy to get the solution. So here, see here, 5 times tan square x means 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x minus cos square x means 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 is equal to 2 cos 2x plus 9. So for our convenience sake, let us take so let us take cos 2x is equal to t. Cos 2x is equal to t. So here cos 2x is there, cos 2x this, cos 2x, cos 2x. Wherever cos 2x there, substitute t. So this is equal to 5 times 1 minus t upon 1 plus t upon 2. So this is equal to 2t plus 9. 2t plus 9. Understand this? So now the whole problem becomes in t. So take the LCM, take cross multiplication, you will get a quadratic equation in t. Okay na? So let us continue the solution. So after simplification the equation, we got this 9t square plus 42 plus 13. So let us factorize this. So this you get the factors, this as a 3t plus 1 into 3t plus 13 is equal to 0. 3t plus 1 into 3t plus 13. So just to factorize it. So this is equal to t is equal to minus 1 by 3 or t is equal to minus 13 by 3. So what is t? This is cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 3 or cos 2x is equal to minus 13 by 3. This equation we can discard. Why? Because cos 2x, a minimum value is minus 1. The value that is minus 13 by 3 means 3/4. Minus 4 means which is less than minus 1. That's why we can discard this cos 2x value is minus 13 by 3. Then we will take up this value cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out cos 4x value. Cos 4x value is equal to 2 cos square 2x minus 1. That is 2 into minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1. So if you simplify, here we will get 9. So if you do cross multiplication, 2 minus 9, that is minus 7 by 9. So minus 7 by 9 is the correct answer. Understand, dear students? So here the only thing is, so first what we have to find out, that is cos 4x value we have to find out. Then how to express cos 4x value in terms of cos 2x. So cos 2x, this also we can write it cos 2x, this also we can write down cos 2x. If you get that idea, the solution is a very, very easy one. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to the next problem. Here the problem is, let S is equal to, it is a set containing the angles between minus pi to plus pi. Open bracket minus pi to plus pi, that is minus 180 degrees to plus 180 degrees, but you should not take 0 and plus or minus pi by 2. That means between minus 180 to plus 180, you should not take 0 and plus pi by 2 minus pi by 2. That is minus 90 plus 90. You should not take those values, right? Then the sum of all distinct solutions of the equation. So this is the equation given. Root 2 secant x plus cosecant x plus 2 times tan x minus cot x is equal to 0. So this question was asked in 2016 advanced, okay, but even though it is an advanced question, but the problem is very, very easy, we can solve it. So remember that whenever this type of questions are given, here you see here secant x given, here cosecant x is given, here tan x is given, here cot x is given. All 4 trigonometric ratios are given. 4 trigonometric ratio, that means except sin and cos, all 4 are given. Such type of problems can be easily solved by converting it into sin and cos. First you do that. Let us see what happens. Okay. So first you see here, so this is equal to root 2 by cos x. That means secant x means 1 upon cos x. And this is 1 upon sin x plus 2 upon tan x means sin x upon cos x minus cot x means cos x upon sin x is equal to 0. Okay, now right. That means I converted into sin and cos. So here LCM cos x, sin x, cos x, sin x. You multiply with cos x into sin x. You can multiply here. So you can multiply. So if you multiply with cos x into sin x, that means you are multiplying with cos x times sin x. So cos x will get cancelled. Root 2 sin x. Here cos x plus 2 times here cos x will get cancelled. So this is equal to sin square x minus here sin x will get cancelled. So this is equal to cos square x is equal to 0. Happy. So something happy. Why happy means up to here you can write down cos 2a. Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Of course it is minus. Okay. So this also you can make it into as a single entity. Here root 2 is there, here 1 is there. So root of a square plus b square, that is 2 plus 1. You can multiply with 2. Multiply and divide with 2. So let us see that multiplying and dividing with 2. So that is equal to 2 into. So this is equal to root 2 by 2 into sin x plus 1 by 2 cos x plus this is equal to minus 2 times cos 2x is equal to 0. Root of root 2, you multiply and divide with root 2. So here once you check this here, so this is a root 3. Sorry, I am telling root 3. So this is also root 3. So root 3. So this is root 3. Right, nice. Okay, now so this is equal to 2 times. This is equal to sin x. This is equal to sin x into sin. Since it is in the cos, better you convert this also in terms of cos. Sin x into sin root 3 by 2 means sin 60. Sin 60 means pi by 3 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to cos 60. Cos pi by 3 into cos x minus 2 cos 2x is equal to 0. So this is equal to sin a cos b plus sin a sin b, that is equal to cos of a minus b. So this is equal to, you can cancel here 2, you can remove this 2, no need to write down unnecessary steps. Okay, so this is equal to cos of x minus pi by 3 is equal to cos 2x. Cos of x minus pi by 3 is equal to, take 2 cos to right hand side, that is equal to cos 2x. So now ultimately almost we got the solution. Okay, so let us continue the solution. Welcome to the remaining solution. So here we got cos 2x is equal to cos of x minus pi by 3. In both the ways we cancelled 2. Here also you will get 2, here also you will get 2. 2 I cancelled. Okay, now so therefore the general solution is, so already we know the formula, general solution of cos theta. That means if it is cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. So here also theta means how much? 2x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. That means x minus pi by 3. Okay, here plus or minus, take plus one side, minus 1 type, that is 2x is equal to 2n pi plus x minus pi by 3, one set of values. 2x is equal to 2n pi minus x minus pi by 3, another set of values. Okay, so now here 2x plus x. So if we come this side, x is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 3. So here minus x is there, if it is there, 3x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 3 is there. Okay, now so from this, now In the, if you see the given question, x should not be 0 or plus pi by 2 or minus pi by 2. Okay, now you take these values. For example, n is equal to, first to take 0. So you take n is equal to 0, 1, 2 like that. If you take x is equal to 0, you will get the value of that is equal to, if you take minus pi by 3. So one of the value, okay, why? Because it should lie between minus pi by 2 to plus, but it should not be equal to 0 plus or minus pi by 2. That is the condition. Okay, minus pi by 3 lies between minus 180 to plus 180. Okay, now, right. X is equal to, take 1. If you take 1, what happens? 2 pi. That means 360 minus 60 means it is cross beyond pi. Therefore, that's all only. Here we are getting only one solution. Coming to here, let us check here. So here x is equal to 2n pi by 3 plus pi by 9. Okay, first take n is equal to 0. If you take n is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to pi by 9. Pi by 9 means lies between minus pi to plus pi. Take n is equal to 1. If you take n is equal to 1, what happens here? 2 pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 9. LCM 9. So here how much here? 3. 9 means multiply with 9. 3 ones are, 3 twos are 6 pi plus pi. That is equal to 7 pi by 9. Yes, 7 pi by 9 is required. 7 pi by 9 is required. Okay, right. Next, if you take n is equal to 2, 2 twos are 4 pi. That means 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 5, that means it crosses pi. So no need that I have taken. Now let us take minus 1. Minus 1 you take, minus 1. If you take minus 1, what happens here? That is equal to minus 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 9. LCM 9. So here minus 6 pi plus pi. That is equal to minus pi by 9. Yes, okay. This is minus 5 pi by 9. So this is also minus 5 pi by 9. This is also one of the required also. So ultimately what we got? Minus pi by 3, 7 pi by 3, pi by 9, minus 5 pi by 9. So he is asking to find out the sum of the values, all these values. That is minus pi by 3 plus pi by 9 plus 7 pi by 9 minus 5 pi by 9. Okay, now. So here take LCM 9. So take LCM 9. So here you will get minus 3 pi plus pi plus 7 pi minus 5 pi. This is equal to pi plus 7 pi, 8 pi minus 3 pi minus 5 pi minus 8 pi. Minus 8 pi plus 8 pi, 0, 0 by 9. Therefore, sum of your values is equal to 0. So dear students, if even though it appears to be somewhat lengthy problem, so this was asked in JEE advanced. Okay, now the slowly you have to do. So the solution will come. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. It is also one of the important problem here. You see here 1 plus 2 secant x is equal to minus secant square x upon 2 whole upon 2. The total problem is in cosecant and secants. Now he is asked to solve. Solve means what? You have to find out the x value. You have to find out the x value. That means x is equal to how much? Not the solution. So then how to proceed this problem, right? Generally everybody can do what they will do. So convert cosecant, secant into sine and cos. That is the first step you have to do. So this is equal to 1 plus 2 upon sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. This you put like that, no problem, no problem. Why? Because minus 1 by 2 into secant square x by 2. Secant square x by 2 means what? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, secant square theta is equal to 1 plus. So this is equal to 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay, now. So I am converting into tan square x by 2. Now here also what I am going to do is 2 by sin 2a formula in terms of tan. Sin 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Okay, na? So you write it as a 2 is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 2, 1 plus tan square x by 2. That means what I did is total problem I converted into tan x by 2, tan x by 2, tan x by 2. That's why put tan x upon 2 is equal to t. Tan x by 2 upon is equal to t. Let us check what happens. So this is equal to 1 plus 2 times 1 plus t square by 2t is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus t square. So this is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 plus t square by 2t is equal to minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 plus t square. Okay, here you multiply with 2t. So what happens here? So this is a 2t plus 2t, 2t will get cancelled, 1 plus t square. Here 2 will cancel, minus t into 1 plus t square. Right. So if you continue here, if you see here, t into t square, t cube, that means you are going to get a cubic equation. You are going to get a cubic equation. So let us continue the solution. If you continue the solution, you will get like this, t cube. That means if you multiply and simplify, so expand and simplify, you will get t cube plus 2t square plus 3t plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is a cubic equation. That means if you put t is equal to minus 1, if you take minus 1, so t is equal to minus 1 will satisfy this equation. Therefore, t plus 1 is a factor, t plus 1 is one factor, and another factor is t square plus t plus 2 is equal to 0 will be the another factor. Understand? Right. So this is implies t plus 1 is equal to 0 or t square plus t plus 2 is equal to 0. This never happens. Why? Because here t is equal to how much? Already we have taken this is a tan x by 2 square plus tan x by 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Whatever may be the value x you can take, but this value cannot be equal to 0. Why? Because here already plus 2 is there. Whatever may be the values you substitute here, it cannot be equal to 0. Okay, now t plus 1 is equal to 0, t is equal to minus 1. T means how much? Tan x by 2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, now already we have taken tan x by 2 is equal to minus 1. So therefore, tan x by 2 is equal to tan of minus pi by 4. Okay, what is the general solution of tan theta? So if tan theta is equal to tan alpha, tan theta is equal to tan alpha, theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. So here also x by 2 is equal to n pi minus alpha will come. Therefore, x is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2. X is equal to n pi minus pi by 2, where n belongs to z. N belongs to z. So that will be your final answer. Okay. From this problem, what you have to observe is convert cosecant and secant. So here I am not converted. Here cosecant I converted into sine, and here secant square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay, now I hope that you understand this solution. So let us continue the next problem. Welcome to the next problem. So if root 3 cos square x is equal to root 3 minus 1 times cos x plus 1, the number of solutions of the given equation which belongs to 0 to pi by 2. So very interval is a very small one. If the interval is a small one, the very happy to solve. So why? Because 0 to pi by 2, small interval. So small interval means some intervals are from minus pi to 1 pi, like that it is there. Now take this problem. So very easy one. So this is equal to root 3 times cos square x. If you take minus of root 3 minus 1 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. So multiply root 3 cos square x minus root 3 cos x plus cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. Take the factors. Here root 3 cos x, we can take the factor. So here cos x minus 1 plus 1 into cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, this is equal to cos x minus 1 into root 3 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, clearly from this cos x is equal to 1 or cos x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Cos x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. So, this cannot be your answer. Why? Because here the interval is from 0 to pi by 2 only. So, you will only get positive angles. From cos x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. That means here from 0 to pi by 2 means what? It is in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant cos is positive, so that, but here it got the negative. So, we will discard this value. So, here cos x is equal to 1 means x is equal to pi by 2. Sorry, cos 0 is equal to x is equal to 0. Cos x is equal to 1 means x is equal to 0. So, 0 includes here. Okay, 0 includes there, 0 to pi. So, there are how many solutions are there? One and only one solution we have. Okay, now. So, very easy problem this is, but it was asked in 2021 JEE mains examination. This type of easy problems are also we are going to get. Okay. So, dear students, I hope that you enjoy today's class with some more problems and with a new concept. I will come before you. Until then, all the best.